do my worldly duties in the kitchen. Gotta keep things clean. Yes. Welcome to Shar's kitchen, where the cooking is good and the drinking is even better. First off, I want to thank everybody for giving me such warm responses on the videos. I truly appreciate it, and it just touches my heart that everybody loves to laugh. That's all that matters, right? And to smile, especially during these damn times. Being stuck in the house for 10 days. What the hell is everybody thinking about? Like, holy crap. I'm not going to go there. I'm not going there. Anyhow, on today's dinner menu, we have chili. But speaking of dinner, I haven't cooked in a long time. Why? Because Thomas usually does it Monday through Friday. And now that we're both off, guess who has to cook? Me. Why me? Why? Don't understand. He's just sitting around asking me what's for dinner. Oh, so I'm going to cook chili. I love chili. Thomas loves chili. TJ too. My sheeps do not. They will be washed in the morning, okay? I won't go there. Anyhow, so that's my dinner plans for today. My baking. Those cinnamon buns, the challenge. Yes, somebody started it. Don't know who, but it kept on popping up everywhere. So I decided to do cinnamon buns. They didn't rise as well. They look good. Heavy as shit. Oh well, what can you do? My baking is a disaster, but mind you, those cookies, delicious. Yes, I put them in my body along with some drinking. I put in my body. Okay, it's not the greatest drink, but it does the trick. Okay, that's all I can say. Yeah. Trying to think what else. Oh, did a beautiful walk at 8:45 p.m. in the dark from my place to Landing Trail Estates, which is a far distance, 40 minutes one way. Dear Lord, my body, it ached. I wouldn't tell Thomas, no. His freaking calf seized up on him. I'm like, welcome to the 50s, honey. Oh, well, cheers on that one. Anyways, I need to sweep some more. So, adios to you all. Cheers to you as well. And here's to a lovely sunshine day in Shaw's kitchen. Bye. Adios.